How to save a page on Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a specific page. First of all, open the application. Now here you can open or select any of the books. So here I'm selecting a random book. Now here there are different pages of this book. Now how can you save it? First, simply double tap onto it. Now here this interface will pop up. So here if you swipe right, the book pages will be available. Now in order to save any of these, here on the top you'll be able to see this bookmark icon. Simply tap on this bookmark icon. So as you can see, the book has been saved. So in this way you can save other pages too, and it is also a way of liking the page and later it will be showed too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.